Alright, I got me a new Planer DeWalt. So we're gonna try out this piece of cedar. You can see it's kind of dull color from the sun. I'm gonna run it through here and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. See how slick that is? Okay, here's a better example of what the planer is gonna do. This is a piece of pine I just keep in the back of my truck for like, it goes in those little slots so you can keep stuff from sliding. Anyways, you see how nasty it looks. It's got mold on it, it's sun faded. So I'm gonna run it through the planer. We'll see what it looks like in a second. Alright, and this is after ran it through the planer. It was kind of like a twist right here. I think the blade went in a little bit more where this knot was when it was on the sawmill, but for the most part it got pretty much everything, and it's got that bluing in it now. And that's just from the pine aging. If you turn on the back, this is what it was like. So I took about an 1/8 inch off of it, but pretty cool. All right, another cool thing I'm gonna run through the planer is this piece of mulberry. So you see what it looks like before. Run it through there, see it after. All right, that's after. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Cool. So backside hadn't been done before, still kind of rough. I think I might do the back underside too. All right, another piece of pine.